Hello everyone and welcome back to Anthony Knows. No judgment, your story matters. Today's story comes from a brave listener who shared a YouTube makeup tutorial, only to be greeted by comments calling it horror and elementary school doodles. Oh, if you've ever felt the sting of online criticism, you're in good company. Let's dive in. First off, I want you to take a deep breath and remember one simple truth. Creativity always invites opinions. Some will love your work, some will push you forward, and some will feel a strange thrill in tearing you down. That doesn't mean your art is worthless. It means you're visible, and visibility is a sign you're doing something right. Here's a little psychology to help you reframe those harsh words. Researchers call it cognitive reframing. When you see horror, stop and ask yourself, whose fear is this? Their own. Trolls project their own tastes and insecurities onto you. Your job is to see comments as data, not destiny. Ask, is there any useful feedback here? If someone says your eyeliner is uneven, that's specific. Horror, on the other hand, is just noise. Toss the noise. Keep the useful bits and move on. Next, let's talk emotional self-defense. You can't control every comment, but you can control your environment. Set up comment filters to highlight words like love, amazing, or inspire. Read those first. Then give yourself a 5-minute limit for scrolling through everything else. Think of it like speed cleaning your mental space. Quick, focus, and done. Now for a life hack. Build a tiny army of cheerleaders. Ask 5 friends or fans to drop a kind note when you post. Their positivity will drown out the critics. And here's a fun challenge. Start a compliment jar on your desk. Every time someone says something nice, write it on a colorful slip of paper. Whenever you feel down, pull out a compliment and remind yourself why you started this journey. Remember, growth mindset is your secret weapon. Every video is practice. Every criticism, even the snarky kind, give you clues. Maybe your lighting needs work. Maybe you need a new editing style. Or maybe it's simply time to embrace your unique angle. Makeup is art, and art evolves. Finally, don't forget to be kind to yourself. Self-compassion researcher Kristen Neff says, treating yourself like a good friend boosts resilience. So when you read elementary doodles, respond internally with, my friend, thank you for your opinion. I'm learning and improving every day. So here's your takeaway. Reframe criticism, guard your mental space, lean on your cheer squad, and nurture the unstoppable growth mindset. Keep posting, keep creating, and keep shining. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. And right now, you're beholding your own masterpiece in progress. That's worth celebrating. Until next time, this is Anthony reminding you, you matter, your story matters, and there's always room for your art in this world.